Today, picked up a new shotgun here in Fresno, California at a local gun shop. Thank you PRK for the great customer service. This is the Mossberg 930 semi-auto shotgun, Commander Signature Edition. It's supposed to be off the show, the Duck Dynasty show. And in reality, I never actually watched the show, but so I had no influence that actually made me purchase this gun. But I did like the way it felt, the weight in it. The Max 5 camo with an OD green. I do like the lasered in Mossberg 930 stamp, along with all the little ducks lasered in there. It is a 28-inch barrel with a true glow fiber optic up front. Currently holds 4 in the magazine, 1 in the chamber. It did come with additional shims for adjusting your stock, additional chokes, improved, modified, full. It does have some additional great engravings in the backside over here. Like I said, not really a Duck Dynasty fan, but I did like the way the gun felt. Can't wait to get out there and shoot it. So to do a follow-up on my previous video, things I left out. Again, this is the Mossberg 930 semi-auto. One of the main reasons why I went with the 930 over the 935 is the 935 shoots magnum loads at 3.5-inch shells. This gun's gonna shoot 2 3/4 up to 3 inches. I do a lot of shooting just for fun, so I didn't want to invest in a gun where I have to buy magnum loads every time I take it out. So I'm happy just shooting, cheap $5 boxes. And by getting the 935, you have to buy more expensive boxes just so it actually shoots out the empty cartridges properly. So that's what it looks like last time. Nice and smooth.